Hello everyone, this is Tanya here from EduTV, and today we are at yet another episode of our program, The Toppers Talk. And we have with us Reeva Jhanji, the school topper of the Kundan Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana. Reeva, very congratulations. You have secured 98.8% in your class 12th. Congratulations, Reeva. What I like the most is that your subjects were not very common. Like you had humanities with an additional biology, which is a very rare combination. So, very, very congratulations to you, Riva. How are you feeling today?
I didn't have such like that much of focus. I would say I had a lot of time to prepare for the exams. We had pre-boards in December and then January, and then I had the whole month of February because my exams were starting from 11th of March. So I feel like these are the times where you are actually going to be preparing for your syllabus. So I think I was just preparing for it and going with the flow.
Okay, great. And talking about the regular routine that you used to follow during the board examinations. So, anything specific that you added to your routine, or maybe you changed your routine during the examinations as compared to what you used to follow earlier?
No, so basically, one thing I used to do was when I used to come from an exam, I used to totally forget about it. Like maybe the exam was good or not good, but I think my main focus was to focus on the next exam. And I had three papers which were consecutively happening. So my
Mhm.
main focus was also to just rest and calm down. I was kind of afraid after my economics exam, but the next day I had my music paper as well. So I was just completely focused on relaxing and acing the next exam.
Okay. What tips you would want to give to students who just enter their grade 12th? Because boards, we've seen students have a lot of, a lot of them worry a lot during their board examinations that, okay, I have my boards this year. Even the parents put the students on a lot of pressure that forget everything else, just focus on your studies now because you have your boards examinations this year and all. So, what is your message for for these students who've just entered their grade 12th now?
I think the main thing I would like to tell everyone is it's just the hype of a board exam. I think you should just say that it's just another exam that you're going to give in some other school because maybe your pre boards would be more difficult than the board exams. Though the level of these exams this year was pretty high, but it wasn't that difficult. I think it's more about the hype and pressure we create around ourselves. So I think the exams that happen in your school, just prepare for them, and I think that 2 3 times that you'll revise your syllabus, so you'll just ace the board exams like that. So I think you just don't worry about the exams, and it's just the hype. I feel like your parents also need to relax, you also need to relax. I think I have watched a lot of movies, I've listened to a lot of songs during the exam time as well. Like I used to come home, I was like, I need to relax and not just study. I feel like when you study one thing for a lot of time, you just kind of get bored with it. So my main focus was also to not just study for 12 hours a day or like 5 hours a day. I think it was to study even for a short time, but with complete focus, not with any distractions. So I feel like even if someone studies for a single hour or like an hour or two a day, I think you just need to learn it completely. Like for me, a lot of my friends used to go home and they were like, we had to go to tuitions, uske baad self study. But I think that's something which is not really necessary. What is necessary is that you must study and revise what you have learned. I feel like even if you study one page, you need to remember it clearly that you don't forget it the next day.
Great, great. And what do you want to do further in your life? I mean, what are you preparing for?
Right now I really want to get into psychology. So
Okay.
I'm not preparing. I think I want to go to Mumbai University to pursue BA psychology. So it's a merit based university only, Xavier's I'm trying to. So I think my board exams will be enough for that, but I want to do psychology. I'm not sure clinical or counseling, but I'll do psychology with research or teaching as well, because I want to do like 2 3 things at a time. So it's just not psychology, but like teaching or researching as well.
What do you want to become? If you talk about choosing a profession, what do you have in mind?
I want to become a clinical or a counselor psychologist.
Okay, 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 great. I think you've chosen a good field that is in demand these days.
Yes.
Great. Anything specific you would want to add in terms of maybe a message for your parents or for your school?
No, it's just I have lots of gratitudes and love for everyone who has supported me. Even my friends, my teachers, and my parents. I feel like they were the ones who have supported me a lot. And yeah, that's it. Just lots of love and gratitude for everyone.
Great, great, great. Thank you. Thank you so much, Riva. And congratulations once again. All the best. Thank you.